All right, first off, we have, whoa, that's amazing. xTool sent over their mystery Omni box, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. I haven't opened it yet. So the things that are in here were printed with their new UV printer, which is called the Omni O1 UV Printer. And what we know now about this printer is that it's going to be coming in 3 configurations. So it's going to be a single head UV printer, a double head UV printer, and a single and DT UV printer, which is a direct to film, direct to garment printer with the UV print head as well. If you guys are interested in learning about those 3 configurations, I just made a YouTube video breaking down what each one can do. So I'm gonna link it in the description below if you guys wanna check it out after this video, go for it. Before we get started and open up and see what's inside, if you're new here, hello, my name is Michelle, and I am the creator behind Lily Rose Craft Room. And if you guys are interested in UV printing, embroidery, laser cutting and engraving, all that good stuff, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and turn on the notifications bell so you guys don't miss on any new videos. All right, let's get started. I got box number 1, and I know there's a few different versions of this box according to like which configuration it is, I guess. But I got box 1, so let's check it out. Ooh, I'm so excited. This box has been sitting here for weeks, and I never opened it. But now we're gonna be opening it together. Okay, are you ready? Oh my goodness. Okay. What does this say? Think big. What is the Omni Printer? All right, first off, we have, whoa, that's amazing. Wow, this is seriously amazing. We have a magnet. I'm blown away right now. All right, so this is a magnet and it has that 3D relief effect to it. So we have like this knitted look to it and the colors are so vibrant. And I wonder if this was printed with like the single head or it has some like fluorescent ink, but the greens and the reds they're awesome. Even the blue, I can't even stop looking at it. It's amazing. And it does have that white buildup right here on the side because in order to build up the 3D relief effect, you need to build up the white and then it tops it off with that color. So that's what I know about, 3D printing with the UV printer. But this magnet is truly amazing. It just blew my mind. Like, that's all I need to see. That's really, really cool. This magnet. It's beautiful. What else do we have here? Let's see. Let's put this shred right here. Ah. Oh my goodness. Okay, next we have a phone case. So we know with like things like hard surfaces, this is plastic. You can put directly on the bed of the UV printer and it prints directly on it. So this phone case is really, really cool too. But that magnet just blows my mind. Okay, what else we got here? We have, this feels like a canvas. So xTool just released the information about the 3 configurations. So weekly, they're going to be dropping more like information about different accessories. We still don't know about the accessories, but it looks like they have like a roll to film. We don't know about their cup rotary yet, their laminator, their UV sticker option feature yet, but we will know. They're going to be dropping out that information weekly. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel because we're going to be covering it here, what's new. So this right here is a canvas. So let's open it up together. Whoa. Ah, it's too big. Oh, wow. I've printed before on a canvas with my my UV make. I printed on a flat canvas, but I think you can do like a roll to film where it just prints directly on this and it just, you know, like a film, canvas film. But wow, these colors are very, very vibrant. So that is pretty cool. That's amazing. And I don't know if it was like cut, but there is no like white borders or anything. The pastel on it, the yellows, the blues, even right here, like the mountains, the river area. That is amazing. That is beautiful. Wow. This is canvas. Okay, let's check out another one. Let me close it up. All right, next is, looks like a UV DTF stickers. So with the 3 configurations, you're able to do UV stickers with all 3 of them. So it doesn't matter if you have the single one, the dual one, or the UV and the DT option, you can still do UV printing. So these are UV stickers. Oh, these are so cute. That is so cool. Nice. Oh, they're so cute. All right, let's get this next one. This looks like a shirt. So we do know that one of the configurations of the printers has the option of DTF and DTG. So it's a DT print head, so that could do F or G. So this, I'm not sure if it was a DTF or a DTG, but here is a print on a shirt. This must be DTF, like the film, because it does, you can kind of feel it. And the shirt doesn't really feel like cotton. And according to DTG, you could only print on cotton or natural linen. So this one, it might be DTF, but this one is really cool. Even the color is very, very vibrant. If it was DTF, really, really cool. This is a shirt, which is really awesome because like I said, I've never seen a machine that can do UV and DTF, DTG at the same time. So we'll put that one here. And here is another one. This is also another shirt. Let's see. Ooh, okay. This one for sure was DTG. So that one, the other one was DTF because I can still kind of like feel it above the shirt. This one kind of looks like screen printing. So this one definitely is DTG. DTG, definitely, definitely. And this one does feel like screen printing. I have never seen a DTG shirt before. Direct to garment. So this one was printed directly on the fabric, which is really, really cool. That is awesome. Yeah, it looks exactly like, it looks like it would be screen printed because it's like in the shirt fibers and it looks like, I don't even think you could peel this off. That is really cool. Yeah, DTG. Do these fit me? This is a 3XL. It could probably be a pajama. I could wear it as a pajama. But yeah, that is awesome. All right, so let's put this one away and let's see. I think that is it. That is it. I want more surprises. All right, that is it for today's video. If you guys are interested in more information of the xTool Omni O1 UV printer, I don't know if it's going to be the O1 Omni or the Omni O1. Either way, if you guys are interested in more information, it's not released yet. The product is not released yet, but they are releasing information weekly about the product up until the release date. I'm not sure when it is. We don't know the pricing. We don't know the launch date, but make sure you're subscribed to this channel because we're going to be covering all the information that is dropping. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.